So Mahendra Goyal, okay, an interior decorator, provide a professional service to Mr. Harish Jain in relation to two immovable properties. Determine the place of supply. Determine the place of supply. A transaction below as a provision of the GST law as a following independent certification. Location of Mahendra Goyal, Delhi, Delhi. Location of Harshit Jain, who is services to Harshit Jain. Okay, he is providing service to Harshit Jain. Mumbai and New York. Property situated in New York. Property situated in France. Okay. So in this case, Delhi to Mumbai, but the work is done in New York. Is Mr. Harish is a registered person? Is Harshit is a registered person? No, in Mumbai he is doing, but the same work is actually in New York. It is export of service. Here IGST, Section 12(7) of IGST Act. Since which section 12(3) of the IGST Act. Since both the service and service recipients are located in India, hence a supply of place of supply to be determined as per the section 12. Since immovable property is intended to locate outside India, therefore section 12(3) of IGST Act. The place of supply shall be location of the recipient of the service, where Mumbai being location of Harshit, and place of supply is Mumbai. Good, correct. Second case, since a recipient of service located outside India, and hence section 13 will apply, such immovable property is intended. Such immovable property is intended to location outside India. So therefore, as per section 13(4) IGST Act, the place of supply shall be location of property, that is France, not US. France. Super.